A big thank you to all of you who like, comment, subscribe and share my videos, or through other means support this channel. You are what makes this channel grow and become a resource for other people to learn from. Enough about how awesome you are, back to the video. Welcome back. This month is a very fortuitous month for us that use Unreal Engine, because this month we are being blessed by additional free assets. These assets are available up here. You can see in the banner the Decagon Studios Old West content available for free now. Clicking on this banner will take you to this link. Here you can see 7 different Old West style packs that have been combined into one project, which is the Old West Learning Project. So this project they have created to show you how you sort of can have all these different assets put together to create a scene. Clicking on it, you can see some details about it and some screenshots about it. We will be taking a look at this in a little moment. So this Old West Learning Project is available for free as well. If you're watching this in the future and you can't find this, you can find the Old West Learning Project along with a lot of other projects under the free tab on Unreal Engine Online Learning. And here you can see a bunch of different projects, and the latest one currently is the Old West Learning Project. So that's how you find that project. If you want to find the specific assets packs that are used to create this project, you can search for Decagon, which is the creator that has made these packs. And you can search for, in this case, price low to high, and you should be able to see these free assets for these 7 packs that are available here. So we will be taking a look at these assets as well in closer detail to see. So that's how you can find the assets. So let's take a look at them. Before we get too far with showing the different assets for this project, I also want to mention that there is a video linked to the actual project page, which has Matthew Wadsign and Cole Tinney going through a little bit about the project itself, and also just some general talking about how you can go about learning Unreal Engine. They emphasize, like I do a lot in my videos, the importance of the why rather than just following a to-do list in a tutorial and then just not grasping what you're doing. So I will leave a link for that video as well in the description if you want to check that out. Let's go check out the assets. So first up, we have the interior furniture pack in this Old West style. So you can see there are a bunch of different beds and some furniture and drawers and patterns and mattresses, covers, pillows and such things. These are all nanite high mesh resolution meshes. So these will have a very high poly count, which is fine, of course, in Unreal Engine 5, making use of nanite. They also have some lower polygon meshes here. They call them low poly baked meshes. So these are available if you want to make use of these assets in Unreal Engine for just picking out the different meshes and making use of them in a Old West style kind of a project. So they are available here as well for you. The next pack is Tradesmen Tools and Props. So here you see different types of tools and props related to this kind of era. You see a bunch of lumber, you have some milling stones and some carts and some covers for carts along with wheels. And I don't even know, these are maybe meant to cut lumber into pieces, I'm assuming, possibly. And you also have some caskets over here. And the same as the last pack, and which will be applying to all other packs that we will be checking in this episode, there will be low poly meshes available as well if you want to make use of them in Unreal Engine 4 or Unreal Engine 5 for that matter, if that's what you prefer. Next up, this packet is about traveling equipment and goods. So here you can see an assortment of blankets, rifles, holsters, boots, clothes, satchels, bags, baskets, lamps, chests, and yeah, even clocks and pans and apparently paintings and lanterns and such things. So a wide range of assorted meshes related to that topic. The next pack is about goods and supplies. So here you can see different types of canned food, utensils, plates, canisters, also some bags, pans, and other, even cotton board. And yeah, so the general supply part of the theme. Next pack is town props, and here you can see different kinds of barrels and chairs and curtains, blankets, not blankets, rugs is what it's called, yes, and tables and such things. Also outhouses in case you want to have a Western toilet. Yeah, so that's what this pack is about. Next pack is the Talman Industrial pack. So here you can see different types of doors, walls, and some, I'm not even entirely sure what this is. You can see some pianos and different types of tools like saws, hammers, hatchets, nails, and even some ornaments for the walls of dead animals, if that is your thing. And some sort of the furniture along with a sort of wanted poster kind of a bulletin board. There is one more pack. It's a foliage pack. It didn't consider it that interesting. It's in the same theme and vein of the kind of geographical kind of flora that you would find. So let's actually take a look at all of these assets combined into the learning project. So this here is the overview map of the project, and you can see here that we have some more assets in addition to what we have seen already. So we have some foliage, we have a bunch of the different assets that we have seen earlier, and we also have some larger construction like building modular pieces that you can put together to create your different buildings. You even have a water wheel, I believe it's called. And you also have some background meshes that you can use as sort of the backdrop for the actual environment itself. So let's take a look at the finished project. And here you go. Here is the project. So as you can see, a very impressive scene here has been created, and this is just a small part of the town. So this is the lumber mill of the town, and we can see the water wheel that will be allowing them to cut. Let's see if we can go in here. Now we have collision on here. Let's see if we can go into a doorway. And in here you can see all the different lumber that they have created inside of the lumber mill. Going outside of the building, we can see that there are some buildings over here by this bridge. This is a building in disrepair, possibly has been a storage facility or something of that nature. And going in this direction, we can see the rest of the town, where we can see a church and some different other buildings, saloons, and other general store type of buildings. And many of these are furnished on the inside as well as the outside. Some of them are not, but you can see that there is a lot of attention to detail when it comes to this. Everything looks very much alive, like it would have been an actual town from a game or a show or something like that, a reenactment perhaps. So a very nice pack altogether for sure. And this level is consisting of a bunch of different parts. So if we go out into the editor mode, you can see that there are different components everywhere that are the decals for like tracks and stuff like that. You can see the different cameras that they have put out in different positions to get certain shots. You can get, if we go up in the top here, we can see that we have the meshes that create the backdrop that creates this sort of canyon type of feel. And you also have some other limiting areas like blocking volumes and such to keep you in the play area. So there's a lot to explore here if you're interested in level design. You can take inspiration and look at how professionals can go about creating a very high fidelity believable scene. Yeah, hopefully this has been valuable to you, and this will let you know if you want to check these packs out in closer detail or not. Anyway, that's gonna be all for now. Keep on learning. Take care. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you did not like it, leave a dislike. Leave any suggestions or comments you have down below. Subscribe and share this video if you want to see more like it in the future. That is all for now. Keep on learning. Take care.